The North's climate had frozen winters and normally hot and humid summers. Natural features were very mountainous areas because of the Appalachian Mountains. It had rocky soil, so it wasn't real good for farming. So factory work was much more popular up north.
The geography in the south had mild winters with long and hot, humid summers. The coastline were swamps and marshes, which were good for growing rice and sugarcane. Inland, they grew indigo, tobacco, and corn, and towns were normally built on rivers.
Due to the North being very businesslike and having a high population, it gave them a bigger chance to have a dominating party, and that party was the Republican Party. And abolitionists then became more involved due to that population, so a strong central government was created, and it helped significantly in raising support for stopping slavery.
The Democrats dominated the South. They were strong believers in states' rights, and their fear for the abolishment of slavery led them to nullify the North's federal laws.
Due to the North being an industrialized nation, industry workers and businessmen were very wanted, so that's why they were at the top of the class. And then the middle class was made up of farmers, and the bottom was the poor farmers. And they weren't as important due to their being bad farming conditions. Culturally and socially, industrial evolutions started public education and also entertainment.
This social class in the South were based off how many slaves you had. The wealthy plantation owners were at the top of the class, while the slaves were at the bottom. And they had an agricultural society, and they feared modernization, and their beliefs circled around slavery.
The North economic system was based on factory production. Many businessmen helped start the industrial revolutions. However, the conditions for their workers was very poor. There was much child labor, and there was a low salary pay.
The economics in the South are based on farming, and which were run on plantations with the slave powers.